I have 12 genius Amazon finds that you guys are going to love. They make my life better and easier. And even some of these have been recommended to me from you guys. So don't just take my word for it. We are gonna jump right in. The first product, I actually store it with my jewelry so that I always have it on hand because it helps put a bracelet on in seconds. I tried this with about 6 or 7 different bracelets when this came in, and it worked on every single one. You take the little clip and attach it to the end of the chain of your bracelet, loop the bracelet around your wrist, and boom, you can put a bracelet on in seconds. And I don't know why, but I always struggle to do that by myself. I always have to have Sam help me, and one of you guys actually told me about this, and it's genius. It comes in 6 different colors. It's right around $10, and I just keep it like with all my jewelry, so I always have it. I will never go without this. Number 2 are these cushion covers. Now, I actually like that these don't come with like the back and armrest. You do have to buy those separately because sofas all can be such different dimensions, even just based on the style within one brand. But I grabbed just the cushion covers only for like the seat cushion. And I have actually been so impressed at how lightweight these are and how easy they are to clean. Red mud is not easy to get out, and my dogs tend to find the most red mud possible, track it all over the sofa before we can get them down. You can just pick this up, throw it in the wash, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't need its own dedicated cycle. You know, it's not super heavy and gonna need to be like, you know, hang it to dry or anything. It's just easy to clean, which is essential when it is covering and protecting your furniture. They have white, light gray, dark gray, and khaki. I got white, which I think it's a little more off-white. I just didn't want it to be exactly like my cushion cover. And I do recommend sizing up. I got the exact size of our cushions, and I feel like I just always am trying to make sure it's in the right place, that like if the dogs were to jump on the sofa or something, you know, it's gonna protect it when it needs to. So love these so much, but size up. These Zen Toe Socks, I actually have shared before, and I will share them probably around this time every year because this is really when I need these most. They have over 21,000 reviews. I will say though, this is kind of the only thing with them that I don't like. They are very, very fragile. And so you're really not supposed to like wash these. If you do, you're supposed to like hand wash them only a handful of times. So you will have to repurchase these, which isn't a huge deal because these are very niche. So these have this little gel padding right on the heel, and I use these around this time of year because your girl gets the most painfully cracked feet. It is like just something genetically, my whole family gets it because for some reason our skin dries out and we need some extra help. So this will allow us to like put castor oil or lotion on our heels, and then you put this on, it's not gonna rub off in your sheets. Even sometimes like if it was cold and I would do that, I would stick it on like underneath regular socks and walk around the house. Like this is just gonna really help keep that castor oil or lotion in place, which then will help those cracks a lot. Now, there are a lot of other things that I do to help the cracks, but truly like nothing works like castor oil does. Nothing works as fast. So I love to keep these and castor oil in my nightside table. And again, like I repurchase these like every summer. They're $15. They have like 15 different colors. They come in a regular size, which I have, and then a wide width if you need that. But they are just the best if you have cracked feet and you need something on your heels. This clear glass vase is actually not like genius in itself, but what I use it for is, and I found this on TikTok, you can actually put tissues in all of your vases. You're not gonna have to buy something separate to sit on top of your tissue boxes to make them look cute. Because why are Kleenex boxes still so ugly? I don't know. So I have just started taking my tissues out and sticking them in whatever vase we have, and I find this one to be my favorite. And there you go, tissues, aesthetic, who knew? This jewelry case is a dream if you're into the beaded necklace trend. I did not know how to store them. This unrolls very easily. It has little protective lining in it. Everything can button in, secured, and it actually is quite large. Now, I did get the large, I'm almost positive, but I will confirm that and put it in the description bar and comment section. But this thing holds my jewelry so well. I was afraid it was gonna be one of those that like once I put all my beaded jewelry in, it wouldn't roll up on itself, and it it did with no problem. So I think this is a really unique way to store trendy jewelry that I'm wanting to wear a lot, but doesn't necessarily need like its own permanent spot in my jewelry box. Now these Pavoi hoop earrings, I am putting in this video because Pavoi can do no wrong in my eyes. They have over 60,000 reviews, and I feel like I have always loved Pavoi because their stuff does not turn, tarnish, irritate my very sensitive skin, but they just have not raised their prices even as their popularity has increased once they got on TikTok Shop. And I really do applaud them for that. Like, there are some products that as soon as they go viral, the price skyrockets and it stays that way. And I'm like, there's nothing that's changed. It does not need to be that much more expensive. Pavoi jewelry is always going to be so affordable. You can almost always get it in multiple sizes, gold, silver, rose gold. I think this one even had an option to do, is it vermeil? Is that how you say it? Or like gold plated? Like, they just have different kinds, and their stuff just lasts and looks so good. So I really like smaller, simple earrings this time of year because I am constantly changing my hair, pulling it back when I get hot, pulling it up. And I just want something that's simple, but I feel almost like I'm not wearing any clothes if I don't have my earrings on. So I need something, and I find myself just always reaching for something from Pavoi. This waist trainer is also something that you are going to have to repurchase. So I have mentioned it before, but the reason being is because you need it to have all of its goodness in it, and that does wear off over time. So this is actually not a regular waist trainer meant to just like cinch you in. It actually is meant to make you sweat. So if you're going on walks every night and you're really wanting to like just sweat more, get hotter, really work and turn that dial up to 10, this is something you can wear. I have never worn it strength training. I want to be very clear about that. I cannot give a review. I don't know if I would be comfortable wearing this strength training just because that's so different. But for my nightly walks, this is essential. But after time, you will find it doesn't make you sweat as much. That's because it can kind of like the stuff that makes you sweat kind of wears off. Now, they have come out with a solution that I do like, but it's a little strange. So it's a little gel that you can put all over your belly underneath the waist trainer. I will link it below under the same number. But it is like really, it's a gel and it's meant to sit on top of your skin. And so I kind of struggle with the way it feels with that waist trainer on top. But when I tell you, you are going to sweat like you have never sweat before. Like, your clothes are gonna be wet, but it makes those workouts just feel so powerful. So again, 228,000 reviews. I am wearing a small in this. They have great size charts. Yeah, I think this is maybe my third or fourth one over the course of 4 or 5 years. So they do last a long time, but whew, they gonna make you sweat. Now this I actually brought in here with me. I love this. I love this keyboard so much. And I actually have found, you guys know I'm trying to hack my ADHD and find ways to really help just make my life easier as someone who's been diagnosed with ADHD. And I have found that the background noise that people with ADHD have in their brains, it kind of turns off if there is a sound also going on. So you'll know a lot of people with ADHD usually have music going in the background when they're working, TV going in the background when they're working, and they'll tell you that helps me focus. It's because it turns off the loud noise in our brains. This does that for me, and I don't know why, but I feel like I can focus so much more when I'm just tick away on this. Now I will say, I see a lot of people complain about these in office settings because it will bother them, like they don't like the noise. My husband intentionally did not take his to his office at his old job because he was out in the open. The moment he got a private office, he was like, I am taking my keyboard. So I had to buy one of my own, and so now we have two. They are so good. My husband is picky, y'all, and he loved this, and he was like always sad he couldn't have his little extra keyboard with him, but now he does. This tank top with a built-in bra, I actually just got done talking about with my manager and her assistant, and she actually was saying, she was like, it makes it look like you've had a boob job. Like, it just makes your boobs look so good and perky, but it doesn't feel like there's a built-in bra, but it looks like there's a built-in bra and not in a bad way. The tank sucks you in. It's so flattering. I have the white in medium and the brown in small, and I definitely think the small was a good choice because in order to get that like slightly pushed up look, you know, I definitely needed the small. So get your true size in this. Unless you have a very, very small frame and an incredibly large chest, then I would definitely recommend sizing up. but I would say it's actually quite proportionate. I was very impressed with this. Oh, and it's under like $15 and has a million color options. Now we have this Oura Ring 2-pack of covers. Now, I will be honest, I have found that with free weights, more often than not, it's going to really press on that Oura Ring, and it does make it dig in and can scratch it up a lot more than if you are using a bar, or of course, if you're not weightlifting at all. But I have found that when I do wear my Oura Ring to the gym, having this cover definitely helps. I feel like it doesn't, like, the Oura Ring can have a tendency to kind of push down on my skin and cause like blisters or calluses, and this actually helps prevent that. For $7, a cute little 2-pack, I got the pink. This at-home brow lift, genius, because it's gonna make getting ready go so much faster. Now, brow lamination is a technique in and of itself, and I am not here to tell you, like, don't go get them done by a pro, because I think there is beauty in that, but I just don't have the time right now, and I wanted to cut down on my makeup routine. This lasts for about, it was 2.5 weeks for me that I noticed, okay, it's definitely worn off, but it looked so good. I just colored my eyebrows one night, let it go for 24 hours, and then the next night laminated them, and it looked so good. And I literally would wear like tinted SPF and then like a little bit of lip color, and I was good to go. So something about the brows just like automatically being done makes you feel and look more put together, but you can get that lamination look at home. I will say they have some different variations. They're all around $30, but they do also have like a brow and lash kit included if that is something you're interested in. And then the final product is this bubble machine. I do not know why I do not have one of these. We have like bubble lawnmowers and just bubble wands, but I was like, my kids love bubbles so much. Why don't I just get them a little bubble machine? This one is battery operated, but you also can just choose to plug it in directly to an outlet. It is a little bit on the cheaper side, so it tells you like, do not, you know, shake the bubble solution once it's in here because it could get into other parts and just stop working. We have not had that issue yet, and Roman picks it up all the time. You guys, this thing kept my children entertained the other day for 40 minutes. 40. They played, they laughed, they weren't fighting, they weren't wrestling. They are 4 and almost 3. 40 minutes is a lifetime. And I was like, I love this so much. So I bought more bubble solution, and it is on its way to my house right now. It's out for delivery. I will never go without this again. So if you are trying to make it through summer with young kids that still like bubbles, save yourself just all of the craziness and get yourself this. I'm telling you, they love it. You guys, we are coming up so quickly on Prime Day. I am so excited. I do have a little bit of regular content I'm gonna sprinkle in before Prime Day, but I do think towards the tail end of next week, we're gonna kick it off. The Prime Day coverage is so good, and it is starting so soon. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you're new here. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.